Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid Husseini. Welcome back to another tutorial at hyperpix.net. I'm back with another free text effects. And in this text effect, I'm going to show you how you can apply your text and your logo to this beautiful style with this 80s text effect and use this in any personal or commercial projects. This text effect is free. Enjoy it. And this is one of our most high quality text effects on net. Okay, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net /freebies and download this and tons of other text effects there and use this in different projects. Okay, let me show you how you can apply this to your text. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And in the new window, all you gotta do is to type your text. Double click on the thumbnail and type your own text. Just keep this in mind that first the letter and the final letter are capital. So we do the same thing. I want to type the first letter in capital letter and do the same thing with the final letter. Double click on the FX icon and from the pattern overlay you can change the pattern up and down or right and left. If you're done, close the window and select yes. It depends on your graphic system. Beautifully applied to our text. Congratulations, you can apply your text to this beautiful style. I'm gonna show you how you can do and adjust these layers one by one. First thing to do is go to FX folder and disable the extrusion folder because of the 3D design. It takes a lot of RAM, so we can have more speed. We get back to this and turn it on later. Adjust folder contains the colors and brightness and contrast of our design. You can double click on each of them and change the variables so we can get new colors. It depends on you. Take your time and find your own look. You can select and you can get whatever we want. Next one is the vignette folder. Contains the inner shadow around our design. We can disable it or enable it or change the opacity. We got noise on or noise off. Like most of our products, we got a noise upon our design, so you can get a retro look. If you don't like it, disable noise on and enable the noise off. We get a clear look. Do the same thing again. One of these two has to be on. Don't leave both of them on. Next one is a smoke. There is a smoke, there's a subtle smoke on our design. If you like it, just keep it. But if you don't like it, just disable it. Next one is text layer here. We can type our own text. This is not for copyright. And don't worry about it. This is not a copyright. You can actually disable it. No limit. And next one is the lower text here. Double click and type your own text. You can resize it with Control T or you can change the size from there. Okay, next one is the sparkles. As you can see here, there's these white sparkly things and you can put them where they should go on the highlights of our design. It gives us a reflective and shiny look. And position them on the edges of your design. On the white parts works great. And yeah, it gives you a very beautiful look. If you don't like it, just press delete. So just delete them. Okay, next one is the highlights. There's a subtle highlights upon our design, as you can see. Yeah, I just recommend you to keep it. Next one is the effects, which contains the structure of the design. I recommend you just skip this one. It contains the technical part of our design. Next one is a triangle behind our design. As you can see, if we disable it, nothing happens, nothing important. Okay, next one is a background, which contains two folders, stars and the colors behind our design. Everything is adjustable. Okay, in final step, turn on and enable the extrusion. It depends on your computer system. There it is. Look at that 3D beautiful look. I'm sure that you think the same. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can apply this to your logo. So stay with me. Right click on the yellow layer, and in this window, import your logo into this window. Drag it and drop it here and here and position it in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna apply the style on this logo, and I'm gonna do this for these two parts. Okay, for that we need to split this into two so we can have separate control on each part. Select rectangular marquee tools and select the logo itself and press Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J on Mac and split this in two, as you can see here. Okay, all we gotta do is to press copy layer style from the text layer and place it on these two layers. Okay, I'm gonna remove the text layer. I'm gonna adjust the pattern. Double click on the FX icon and from pattern overlay and drag on the empty space of your screen so we can like easily put the pattern where they should go. Okay, we'll do the same thing with the down here. I need my wave to be a little bit smaller, so I put the scale on 50. You can put this on 25, 50, or 100. Like anything else than that, it gives not a very good result. So it's great. Close it and select yes, and let's wait for the result to happen. There it is. You can see our logo is beautifully applied to this. So don't worry about the other parts. Okay, from the effects, I'm gonna position it a little bit higher, and okay, very well. I'm gonna disable the triangle behind our design. I don't want the text layer 2. I'm gonna position this one a little bit lower, and I'm gonna double click and I'm gonna type my own text. So I already had this, so I'm gonna resize it a little bit. I'm gonna use the Honda's slogan. Okay, and I'm gonna select the effects so we can have this a little bit higher. There it is. Okay, put the sparkles where they should go. What we can do is to remove all of them but one and select the remaining sparkle and press Alt and drag it. So each time we drag it, we get a new copy of it. It gives us a lot more speed. Make sure you're doing this. Alright, we got the extrusion. Let's enable it. Beautifully 3D look. This is amazing. Like, I want to tell you something that you can get the depth of your extrusion. We got a lot of it. So if you open the extrusion, our designers like categorize it like so. If you don't want the depth, just disable level 7 to 5 so we can have less depth. There it is. You see that? So that's how it works. And you can like disable him or enable him. It depends on your desire to keep as depth as possible. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and this beautiful text effect. This is a free text effect. You can use this in any personal or commercial uses, in any projects without any credit needed. If you want to download this, please, for supporting us, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and then go to hyperpix.net, and from the freebies you can download this and tons of other text effects, and that works the same way with this one. Please download this and enjoy this. Thanks for watching this.